Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go with the question. For a group of 28 or more people, an architect charges $9 per person for the first 28 people and $15 for each additional person. How many total people were in attendance if the group paid $447 to go to the arcade? Okay, we have to find the number of people in the group. Okay, now let me draw a line segment over here which represents a number of people in the group, and let me mark 3 points on this line segment. One is A over here, and other one is B over here, and the other one is C over here. And the length of the complete line segment represents the number of people were in attendance. Let me say X represents the length of this line segment AC. That is, there are X people were in the group. And the length of this line segment AB represents the first 28 people. And what is the length of this line segment BC? To get the length of this line segment BC, we have to subtract this 28 from this X. That is, the length of this line segment is X negative 28. Okay, here we have first 28 people, and this X negative 28 represents the number of additional people. Okay, for the first 28 people, they charge $9 per person. Then what is the total money charged for 28 people? Now we have to multiply the charge per person, that is $9, by the number of people, 28. Then we get 9 times 28. So this represents the total money charged for the first 28 people. Okay, now let's consider the additional people. There are X negative 28 additional people, and for each additional person, they are charging $15. Now, to find the total money charged for X negative 28 additional people, we have to multiply the charge for each additional person, 15, by the number of people, X negative 28. Let me write over here, that is 15 times X negative 28. Okay, this is the total money charged for the first 28 people, and this is the total money charged for additional people. When we add them, we get the total money paid for all the people in the group according to the instruction. So it must be equal to $447. That is 447. Okay, now we have to solve for X in this equation. So let's multiply this 9 and 28. Okay, let me multiply them. 9 times 28 is 252. Let me write it over here. 252. Now we can distribute this 15 to this X and negative 28. 15 times X is 15X. It is positive 15X. Positive times negative is negative. Let me multiply 15 and 28. Let me do it. So 15 times 28 is 420. Let me write it over here. Equals to 447. Okay, 15x can be taken as it is. Now we can combine these two values. Okay, now let me combine positive 252 and negative 420. I am getting negative 168. Let me write over here. Equals to 447. Okay, now let me add 168 to both sides. Let me do it. When I do so, this negative value, positive value will cancel out. I'm getting 15x on the left side. When I combine positive 447 and positive 168, I'm getting, let me do it in calculator, I'm getting 615. Let me write it over here. Now let me divide both sides of this equation by 15. So this 15 will cancel. I'm getting X on the left side. Okay, now let me divide 615 by 15. Then I'm getting 41. So that is, there were 41 people in the group.